What's good with y'all, man? We back at it again. We back at it again with another live trading video. So I already did my analysis. It's 8:05 right now. I'm only looking at GU and UJ right now. I'm bearish on both of them. And y'all about to see. So this is GU. Thing about GU is we already hit equilibrium with this range, but I still think we have some downside potential just because of these lows right here. I want to see these get hit. But we did have a sweep on the daily. On the 4 hour, we did break structure to the downside technically. But if we keep holding this, that's going to be an issue. So, I mean, we still got an hour until this candle closes. So we gotta see about that, but let me get this out the way. On the 1 hour, we did shift structure to the downside. We broke through all these lows. Push down, small retracement, push down, small retracement. If we respect institutional order flow, we should have another push down. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bearish candles, one bullish candle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bearish candles, 1 bullish candle. Right? So we haven't swept any liquidity yet. We started pushing down without sweeping any liquidity. You feel me? I mean, we swept this, but we didn't take anything out for real. So honestly, this is my target for the day. I think we come down to 1, 2, 6, 7, 3, 4. Honestly, just off of this right here. I think this is gonna be similar to this, where we had one retracement and then a push down. I think this is gonna be the retracement and then a continuation down. Another confluence to that. Look at these smooth ass highs right here. If y'all niggas know anything about ICT, he loves these. He loves these areas because we never leave them like this. We love to run for this shit, mess it up, make it not look as pretty. And then, because these equal highs, this is perfect for support and resistance. This is a perfect area to put your stop. So we love to run for this and then push down to the next outside level, which I guess you could say is right here. And that looks like relative equal lows. It's really not, but the reason I like this one is because this right here is the weekly open. So this is where we opened up. And on top of that, right, we opened up right here for the week. We pushed up and now we're just above the weekly open. And like I said, this is really my area of interest. So I'm already bearish on the weekly. I already think the weekly candle is gonna close bearish, especially after this sweep right here. Cause this is really a sweep on the weekly too. And if we take equilibrium of this, it comes out to right here. I'm gonna delete this one. It comes out to right here. I'm gonna make sure this shit say weekly on it though. I don't know if I can. Yeah, I can. But fuck it. We know that's weekly. And that equilibrium is all the way down here. So this is really my target, right? So if I'm bearish on the week and we're above the weekly open price on Monday and a little bit on Tuesday as well, we can expect on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday we start to push below this. Really on Tuesday, I think today we start to push below this weekly open price. And Wednesday we're gonna come down, and Thursday we probably gonna take this out. 1.26116. I think we take that out by Thursday or on Thursday. And Friday we probably gonna close somewhere up here, somewhere around the low in this area. I don't know where, I just know this is probably gonna get taken out first. So yeah, it looks like we about to run for this right now. I'm not even gonna look at UJ for real, cause this is all I wanna see. And today I'm going to I might take 2 or 3 take profits, but it's not gonna be as crazy as yesterday where I took fucking 5. Oh, never mind. I might take 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I think I'm gonna target previous day's low, just like yesterday, bro. No cap. But yeah, this is what we got going on today. So it looks way better than yesterday. I literally edited my video yesterday, bro. So that's it. It was a 2 hour and 50 minute video, and I got it down to 1 hour and 40 minutes, bro. So, and it literally took me 3 or 4 hours to edit it. I didn't do shit. I literally came home, looked at the video a little bit, and I edited that shit. That's what I did the whole day. I was supposed to. I'm not gonna say I was supposed to back test because I didn't really plan to yesterday, even though I do it every day. I just wanted to journal my trade, and I had the box yesterday. Well, I was supposed to. I ended up not going, but I was supposed to. So I wasn't really in the. I didn't really had that as a priority. So I was up until like 1 a.m. doing that shit. And I didn't even edit the last part. I was like, fuck it, I'm leaving that in there. So I'm not doing that today. I'm finna just press pause when it's time, when it's getting slow or whatever. So I'm gonna unpause the recording when we start doing something, probably when we take our buy side. I lied. I said we was gonna come back when these highs got swept. It's been literally like fucking 45 seconds since I paused the video, but I also wanted to highlight that we did kind of sweep. We did sweep these lows. We did sweep these lows. You can see that right there, right? So after we sweep a low, or whenever really we start retracing, but mainly after we sweep some form of liquidity, we look for equilibrium. So we go to this high. Actually, we should really go to this high, huh? This high to this low. It's already on this low, but I just want to show y'all. To this low. Boom. This is the equilibrium of the range. Equal highs sit right there. Plus we have this 15-minute fair value gap. So the equal highs is nestled in the 15-minute fair value gap. The 1 hour, look at this. The 1 hour is clearly bearish with bearish institutional order flow. Again, 6 bearish candles down, 1 bullish candle up. 6 bearish candles down, 1 bullish candle up. And we took out these swing lows. We pushed through them. Then we created a swing high, right? This is all ICT shit. We pushed through these swing lows and this swing low right here. We pushed through it. Then we created a swing high right here. Well, once we do that, when we push through a swing low and we create a swing high, we expect this candle right here, the third candle in this 1, 2, 3 candle pattern to get traded below. Boom. And that's what we do. Then the next one and the next one. Now, once we put in a swing low, we could start to push back up, aka a retracement, and that's what we're doing right now. But like I said, from this high to this low, this is equilibrium, and we have those equal highs right there. I'm all the way on board with this shit. All the way on board, I ain't gonna lie. Once we take this out, I just need to see a market structure shift in a fair value gap. And that's really all it is, bro, to be honest. Finna target probably this low, this low, this low. These lows. And leave a runner for here. I don't think I'm just gonna target a 1-to-1 just to target it. I might move my stop once we hit a 1-to-1. But before I was targeting 1-to-1s off rip just for no reason. Like, well, it was for a reason, but like it had nothing to do with structure or my model. I was just taking that 1-to-1. So I'm gonna take at the very first low that allows me at least a 1-to-1, which might be right here. And then I'll take half off there. But again, when you take profits at 1-to-1 and you're taking half, it severely fucks up your RR. I ain't gonna lie. because the RR is just the average. Like all these take profits, it's the average of where you take it. So the very first one is gonna fuck up your RR the most. Like let's say my first take profit was a 1 to 2, it wouldn't be too bad because okay, what we just did there was we filled in this gap before we come up here. So that's leaving no bullish imbalances, which I think is actually very important. Well, there's still a small gap. But yeah, anyways, let's say your first TP was a 1 to 2 and you take half there. That's really gonna keep your RR above a 1 to 2 now. Actually, is that true? Because if you take half at 1 to 2, it's really like you making a 1 to 1. Regardless, that's gonna keep your RR as an average better than if you took half at 1 to 1s. You see what I'm saying? So, but I'm taking what structure gives me. If my first area of liquidity is a 1 to 1, then I'm gonna do that. If it's a 1 to 2, then I'm gonna do that. You feel me? So, all right. All right, so UJ just swept that buy side level. We could push up to London, but I don't know. GU was pushing down a little bit. I think what it was doing is engineering some more buy side liquidity that we're gonna take. And that makes me think that we're not gonna take that buy side level them equal highs yet. I think it's gonna be a little bit longer. I think we might sweep one of these lows that I have marked out, the 2 levels that it's closest to. I think it might sweep one of them first and then push up to take out the buy side. And on GU, we're also below midnight open. I'm not taking any trades until we're. I'm only taking shorts on GU. I'm not taking no longs up there. And once we take out buy side, because I know we're going up there. Like we're going up there regardless. We're either gonna go up there and continue up higher, or we're gonna go up there and push down and go lower. But we're going up there to one of those buy side levels, London buy side or the equal highs. So once we get up there, I gotta wait until structure is very clear that we're going back down, because the fact that we're under midnight open makes it a little bit different. And also again, the fact that we already hit equilibrium from that buy side sweep on the daily. Those are just 2 things that I'm thinking about that I'm a little iffy on. And I can't be bearish on both pairs. I can't be bearish on UJ and GU for real, because they usually move in opposites. So I think one of my biases is wrong. Regardless, we gonna see how these bitches react and go off of that. I'm not willing to lose the profits that I made this week. I'm already up 9% on the month, and it's the first week of, well, actually now it's the second week, but I've only traded like 3 days out of the month, and I'm up 9%. So I don't want to risk any profits. I don't want to risk too much, at least. So if it's not very clear to me, I'm not taking it, and I'm probably going to de-risk on this trade too. I don't think I'm finna do my full 3%. I might do 2% or 1%. And I'll probably be cutting losses earlier on top of that. So we're about to just see what's up. All right, I think I'm gonna take a quick scout, possibly on UJ. This shit pushing down quick though. I don't know if we're gonna have time to get in. How big is this right here? Nope. This shit moving. Damn, what the fuck going on? My target on here ain't really clear either, to be honest, so I don't think I'm gonna take this. This was my target at first. Wait, hold on. I mean, I guess that could still be my target, but um, let's see what this shit talking about. I don't really like this shit. I don't really like it. I don't want to take that. So we just gonna keep watching. I'll take a 5-minute setup if it presents itself, but I ain't really interested right now. I missed the gym this morning too. I did not wake up until 7 o'clock. Every time that happens, I usually trade worse, so I ain't gonna lie, so we really gotta be careful today. Back to pause, I go. Hopefully. Alright, look right here. Alright, I'll take this. 12.5. I'm gonna risk 2% on this. .15 times 12.2. What the fuck? 0.15 times 12. Oh no. 0.15 divided by 12.2. Oh, 12.5 times 63.75. Alright, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I'm still going to risk my full percentage, but I'm going to cut my loss early. 0.75. What is this? 144012. Hold up. Alright. Goddamn. I'm gonna have a TP down here. First TP gonna be at these lows though. .46. 1 to 2. 437. Is that this? 14325. Wait, what does it say? 143425. 143. I'm gonna do 14330. I need this shit to hit equilibrium though. I'm not just gonna take it right now. And if it doesn't, then that's a blessing because we're not risking shit, so. I like this area too, though. Right here. But we might not even get an entry looking at this shit. We broke structure to the downside on the 15-minute as well. In 8 minutes, if the 15-minute stay right here, I'ma actually, yeah, I'm probably gonna enter right here instead and just move my first target to right here and then just take second profit right here. That might be what it is. As long as we don't take out London, Southside, we really straight. Let me look at the daily one more time, though. Oh, is this even previous day low? This ain't previous day low. This is just London low. No, this is previous day low. Technically. Because this was yesterday. Just on this candle, it's not previous day low. But if I do 24 hours, no, it's the same shit. This is still equilibrium, though. If we take this level without getting an entry, I'm just gonna close that bitch. Alright, I'm finna pause this shit. Sorry, I'm locking in. I'm trying to really see what this price doing. But yeah, if the 15-minute close, without taking this shit, then I'll probably move my entry. Nah, let me see. Yeah, I'll probably move my entry to the bottom of the fair value gap, actually. If we take this out, I'm not getting in, though. I ain't gonna lie. Even though it will probably still be valid to target, it would probably still be valid to target this. Even if we took this, I just don't feel like risking it, bro. I just made some money yesterday. I'm not trying to just risk that shit. And it looks like we about to take it right now. What would have been if I would have got in right here? 1.06. Nah, I don't fuck with that. If we create relative equal lows, especially, that's gonna be a lot of confluence too. If we made relative equal lows, that would actually be crazy because we put in this high right here. So if we make relative equal lows this fucking close, oh shit. And then we push up into here to take out these highs, then we're definitely gonna come back down to this level. And I'm probably gonna just make this my first TP. What is this right here? 976. Oh, 973. I'm gonna put it at this high. Hopefully we don't take that shit. Oh my God, we so close. All right, too late. We done. All right, cool. So we don't gotta risk nothing there. Thank God. I'm saying thank God. I really wanted to get in the trade. That's why. I don't even really want to look for another entry if I'm being honest. I'm finna go back to GU and just wait for GU to do something. But let's check gold real quick because what the fuck is gold doing? Nah, fuck that. Let's stick to what we got. We don't need to overcomplicate this shit. This is a beautiful setup. I still have faith in this. Hope I don't know why it's taking so long. I think we really just engineering buy-side liquidity, and we just finna come up and take this in a dip. But I'm finna pause it for y'all. Forgot to unpause it. I'm finna take this, bro. I ain't gonna lie. We get an entry down here, I'm taking this. Because I'm very confident we go up to take these equal highs. I'm very confident in that. I won a trade like exactly like this the other day. And yeah. Probably shouldn't even take. I'm probably just gonna move my stop to break even right here. Oops. Just to break even. Did I get tapped in? I did not. I'm gonna move this up a little bit just for the spread so I can get filled. That did not hit the fair value gap, so it's still not valid. Regardless though, probably gonna stop the break even at this area. My first TP gonna be right here. And my second TP gonna be right here, which is in alignment with everything else. Yeah, I'm gonna take half off right there. Let the rest run a little bit. That's not that much of a difference though. Let's see if we get an entry. But yeah, we swept these lows. We tapped into this fair value gap, which is in equilibrium of this range. If I'm being completely honest, I probably should have got in down here. To target this, but I wasn't gonna take longs originally, but this is really like what do I call it? These equal highs are getting taken, bro. I'm just gonna keep it 100, bro. These are getting taken. But I am ready to close at any moment if this shit start doing weird shit. Cause like I said, I'm not trying to risk no type of profits for real. I'm cool with taking a loss, but I'd rather just cut my shit short. You really in this bitch way too long, bro. Oh, hell no. Fuck that. Yeah, this shit ain't valid no more. Damn. I want to let it push up some more before I close it, but that might be a bad choice. Fuck it, might as well just let it just stop at this point. Huh? Damn, man. I mean, that's really what I get. I ain't gonna lie. Because I said I wasn't gonna take no longs up in the here. I was just gonna wait until it got here and then take shorts. I'm staying on the charts. I'm not gonna lie. Something in me is screaming, get that money back, bro. And I'm very angry right now. Because I said I wasn't gonna fucking do that shit, and then I did it, and then I lost because of it. Man, what the fuck, bro? I should have closed it right when I seen it. That's literally a close below. It got ran through. You should have closed it as soon as you seen that shit get ran through. As soon as you saw that shit, you should have closed it. My mind just went blank, and I was just watching the P&L go up and down. You should have closed it as soon, literally as soon as this shit closed, right after you got in. You should have closed it, bro. You would have only been down like fucking $12. But you want to wait until it's about to hit your stop to close it. If this shit push up and hits my targets, bro. Man, what the fuck? Man, I want my money back so bad. I feel like I'm about to do some dumb shit, bro. I'm finna get off the charts, bro.